Hi everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making Taiwanese tea egg. Tea egg is a typical Taiwanese savory food. It is also known as marble egg because the cracks in the eggshell create lines with marble-like patterns. They are delightfully easy to make at home. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. 10 eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 star anise, half cup soy sauce, 1 big bag of black tea, 40-gram brown sugar, 2 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon. First step, we are going to wash the egg. And now put the eggs into the pot. Cover with water. The water only need to cover to the egg. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and turn on the heat to medium heat to boil it. After boiled, turn the heat to the low heat and cook 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat. And I'm going to crack the eggs. Okay. So the reason why I crack the eggs is because we want to make the sauce can go inside the egg. Okay, crack each side of the eggs. Be gentle, don't really break the egg. And now I have cracked all the eggs, and we can turn on the heat again to the medium heat and add the black tea bag inside. Also the cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, star anise, soy sauce, brown sugar. Gently give it a stir. And wait till boiled. Now it's boiled. I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer the pot to the steamer or cooker. Okay, open the lid. Add 2 cups of water for the outside pot. And move the pot inside. Close it and cook it. After the cooker is done for cooking, open the lid, and I'm going to add 2 cups of water to the outside pot. Cover with the lid. cook for the second time. Alright, the second cook is done. Let's see the result. Ooh. The eggs are all colored by the sauce and the leaves. Okay, let's move out the egg to the serving plate. Let's see the inside of the tea egg. Wow, that's pretty. We got a beautiful marble-like pattern. Alright, so this is today's Taiwanese tea egg. These eggs are very flavorful, and my recipe of the tea egg is really turn the hard-boiled egg into a delicious and easy snack. The bonus tips: put this egg into the refrigerator for 24 hours. That will make this tea egg even more taste good. Thank you for watching. Let me know any feedback in the comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!